Hey there! Are you looking for a way to update your firmware update on your Beat Studio buds in order to remove the minor bugs or glitches? Well, Beat Studio or Beats always stay up to date with your latest software version so that you can use the full potential out of your Beat Studio buds. Therefore, in today's video, I'll go ahead and quickly show you how you can update the firmware on your device by using your iPhone or your Android. Now to update it, you need to do simple work. First, make sure that your Beat Studio has enough charge and it is connected to your device, and of course you need to open up the case. Right after that, go ahead and grab your iPhone for example. Now just go ahead and tap on your settings here and choose your Bluetooth. From there, you'll be able to see your Beat Studio buds is connected now. Once it's connected, just go ahead and tap on this eye icon here. Now scroll a little down. Now just go ahead and take a note of your version serial number. Well, now you need to double check whether this is the current firmware version or not. Now if you want to check this out, just go ahead and open up your browser here and now simply type firmware version for your Beat Studio buds and tap on go. Then this is going to show you this. Now here, if you take a look at here, firmware version will show up as 1B56. Now if I get back here, you'll be able to see now we have exactly the same version is running on for our Beat Studio buds. That means we are currently up to date. However, if you see this different version is showing up on the Google and you see it's not matching up with your settings, that means now you need to update your software for your Beat Studio buds. Now for your iPhone, all you can do, make sure your device is connected and your Beat Studio has enough charge, and then all you can do, you can just open the case and leave it to your device for about 20 to 30 minutes and your device will get automatic up to date. However, if you want to do update by using your Android device, the next thing that you want to do is just go ahead and grab your device here, and now you need to open up the Beats application from your device. Make sure your device is connected and also it has enough charge and it is open, and then open up your Beats application from here. Now scroll down and you have to come to this option called under the hood, and this is your firmware, okay? Now you have to do exactly the same thing. Just go ahead and leave your device right next to your Beats Studio buds and wait around 20 to 30 minutes. Well, after a while later, you'll be able to see your Beats Studio buds will get up to date with the latest software version. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you guys can follow in order to update your Beat Studio buds to the latest firmware software version, and this is how you can update it. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.